I've been watching this woodpecker for a while, and I came out to film it, but I had to bring the dog because she knew I was going back out and she wanted to come. But I thought he was so cute. And he's been going from tree to tree, so it's been kind of hard to follow him. There's all these little birds in the bushes, and they're all making noises. Of course, now he's on the other side of the tree. But he was so cute, working so hard at that tree. I heard all this rustling and I thought it was a neighbor's cat in the woods, but when I looked closer, they were the birds flying all around in there. It might rain tomorrow, so I'm sure that they'll get lots of worms and things. But they are having so much fun. And they are loud for 5:30 at night. I wish I could see the woodpecker again. He was so cute. I really enjoy these backwoods, watching all the birds and the turtles and the blue heron. I'll try to get some more of that woodpecker one day. But right now he knows I'm trying to film him, and he's not doing it any longer, I don't think, or maybe he is. Let's see what he's up to. There he is. I'm holding the dog and she's pulling on me, so between zooming in and she pulling on me to go for a walk, it's pretty shaky. But I'll try to come out without her and get some more of the woodpecker. Amy, do you like the birds? Where are the birds? Oh, where are the birds? Hello there. You like the birds? They're very noisy, aren't they? Do you want to go back in? Okay, we'll go back in.